Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Thai dessert called กล้วยบดชี Yeah, we use plantain today, and the ingredient only a few. Very easy, very simple. Coconut milk, salt, sugar, and palm sugar. That's it. Okay, now we're going to cook by boil the plantain first for 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, we boil the water first. Put the water in the pan. We cut this one in not very small piece. I like this one.
Yeah. I thought this one you're gonna grill it.
No, you can grill, but have to be more ripe, or you can fry. I did cook fry. You remember?
Yes.
In the YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
You cut in like this. Okay, now the water boiling. We put a little bit of salt in there, and then put the plantain. You boil about 5 or 10 minutes. You can see this one boil or yeah. I think about 5 minutes. Okay, we boil only 5 minutes. Yeah, and we take out from the hot water. Take out from the hot water, and this one the plantain I have cooked already. Okay, we put cold water. Oi. You know why when we boil the plantain we put salt? Because we don't want the plantain get the dark color. Okay, now we use coconut milk. You can use any brand, but I like this one. But only half can, I think, should be enough. And you add a bit more water. Add a little bit more. Okay. If you have pandan leaf, you can throw in there. You get a nice smell, but I don't have. And you put sugar, put salt 1/4 of tablespoon. But you have to taste first. Yeah, after that maybe you need more. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. And palm sugar. Okay, let me taste first. Yeah, how the taste like. We need to add a little bit of salt. and a little bit of sugar. We don't need too sweet. You know, sometimes this one, sometimes very sweet, sometimes not sweet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, even the same brand. That's why we need to taste. Okay, when we get the right state, we put the cooked
Plantain.
plantain. And carry on cooking until it's boiled, and then that's it. Well, that's why I said very easy. Okay, yeah, ready to eat.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's why I told you very easy. Okay, this is how our koi buchi look like. After dinner or lunch, you can have it. Okay. I need to try. Yeah, we get the right taste and try plantain. Bit. Very nice. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. See you next video.